What's up, guys? It's June 23rd, 777 Wall Street here, and today I made about $1,128 trading ES and MES today on the futures. It was a good day overall with very clear signals, and we got some strong moves. But the market was acting a bit weird though. We did have a huge drop, massive recovery overall. So I'll go over the trade highlights from the signals real quick. So at 10:40, we had our first trade where I took a short on ES based on the NQ sell signal, and that net us about a 10-point move. So that was from here to here. And then at 12, we had another market structure flip bearish move, and this was probably the biggest play here. So this was around 12 p.m. here. And then we had a market structure flipping bearish, which took us to a low as 5993 from 60.35. So that was a over 35-point move. And then 1240, we got a 1243, we got a reversal signal to the upside, which was a buy signal. And this was a triple buy signal, first signal of the day, and that net us about 20-point move. And then 134, market structure flip bullish, and that ended up taking us to as high as 60.80s from 60.60s. So 23-point move, really good day overall. One key lesson or takeaway from today is that despite how the news or how what the news is telling us, don't let your bias get ahead of you. Make sure you're trading with an edge, so this way you know that when your signals or whatever your edge is, if you have a way that's telling you that, hey, the market is going to go bearish or bullish, at this given point in time, play it. Don't let your bias get ahead of you. Because if you had just thought that, hey, the war is happening and market is just going to die, and you shorted all this whole drop here, you would die. You would get wrecked. You would just lose money today because the market went against the trend and it traded up as if, the war was over. And obviously it isn't, or it is, we don't know yet, but the oil market did kind of trade like that. Oil market went wild as well. Let me see if I can find it here. So oil market dropped about 4 or 5%, huge drop overall all day at 12.28. And that was mainly from, Trump saying that, hey, Iran attacked us, but even though they attacked us to let us know that they were attacking us, so now we're even. And because we're even now, because they attacked us and we attacked them, now we can have peace. So that's why the market's been moving up. But the other thing is, always have like the line in the sand, where you think the market's gonna flip bullish or bearish. If you watch the video from last night or from this morning on YouTube, I said that if we go over our MOB line or if we go over 60.15, we're pretty bullish. And as you can see, that flip over here overnight, we did push up pretty bullish a little bit. We back tested. We continue to stay bullish, even though we broke it here. And we can say we're going bearish here. As we come back here again, you want to flip bullish. So it's a tricky market. They do want to manipulate it. They do want to see people lose. I would say going over to tomorrow, 60.60. As long as we stay above 60.60, which is this line here, we'll remain bullish. And if we come under 60.50s, which is around here, we will go bearish again. So this will kind of be our line in the sand to be bullish or bearish in this zone here. If we continue to stay here, we can drop and bounce. If we go under here, we can continue to break down further. So I hope that helps. Good luck, guys, this week, and have a great day.